Ever painted furniture with a brush? Yeah. And then spend the next 3 hours pretending those brush marks are rustic charm. Let me show you what actually works. Smoother finish, less effort, and zero regrets. Hey, I'm Nutan. If you have got furniture to paint, cabinets, chairs, or drawers, and want that smooth pro finish without spending like a pro, I have got you covered. Today I am going to show you why a handheld HVLP sprayer is actually the smartest choice for beginners. Let's do this. Section 1. Why furniture needs a different approach. Furniture isn't a wall. It's got detail, curves, and weird corners. That's why it needs a sprayer that gives control, precision, and a clean finish. What you don't want: overspray clouds, drips, orange peel texture. A handheld HVLP is the Goldilocks zone. Not too heavy, not too expensive, just right for furniture projects. Section 2. Why I use this type of sprayer, and you should too. The sprayer I use is a simple electric HVLP gun. No air compressor, no complicated setup. Here is what makes it perfect for beginners. Lightweight. You can rotate furniture, spray vertically, and flip drawers without arm cramps. Adjustable nozzle. You can fine-tune the spray pattern for big panels or tiny edges. Low overspray. Less mess and wasted paint. Accept different types of paint including oil enamel, sealer, varnish and latex. Just thin it right. Best of all, it cleans up without a meltdown. Section 3. What to look for in a furniture sprayer. Whether you buy one or already have one, these features matter. Flow control dial, too fast, runs, too slow, frustration. Spray pattern settings, horizontal, vertical, circular. It's not just a gimmick. Learn when to use them. Paint thinning. Check your paint's thickness. Thick paints often require thinning for a smooth spray. Personal experience. I'll be honest, the first time I used a sprayer, I didn't thin the paint, didn't adjust the settings. The paint didn't even come out, and when I thinned it, it flew like a river, out of control. This is where most beginners give up, but once you dial it in, game changer. If you are spraying cabinets, drawers, wooden chairs, tables, this one tool can handle it all. You don't need a workshop or a compressor. You just need patience, practice, and the correct settings. If this helps you spray smarter, hit subscribe. I have included some beginner-friendly sprayers link below. The one I used is also listed. More honest guide, real fixes, and DIY experiments coming up. Until next time, keep crafting. Want to know how to use a spray gun properly? Watch my next video.